Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about nested if statement. If condition inside another if condition. Here is the flowchart of the nested if statement. Entry point is here, condition 1. If condition 1 is true, then go this side, and here is another condition inside this if condition, which is condition 2. If condition 2 is true, then execute statement 1. If condition 2 is false, then execute statement 2. And if condition 1 is false, then execute statement 3. All the statements are structured in flowchart. By using this flowchart, we are going to make a program that how we can find greater number out of 3 numbers. First of all, create the variables var a, b and c and assign value 11, 33, 12, and after that apply if condition if a is greater than b, true block if condition is true, in else another if statement, and here if a is greater than, check whether a is greater than c, a is greater than c, and here if a is greater than b, then condition will be true. If false, then check with b. So here another if condition, that is check a is greater than c. If a is greater than c, then a will be greater. So fmt println a is greater, and in else then fmt println c is greater. And here if b is greater than c, then b is greater, fmt println b is greater, and in else condition fmt println c is greater. So this is all about if and if else nested if statement. Run the program. B is greater. Remove this one, and now C is greater because the value of C is 12. If value of A is 41, then A will be greater. A is greater. Thank you for watching this video.